Welcome to my channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you in detail how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 with the help of Snipping Tool. Go to the search bar and type Snipping Tool. Open it. After opening the Snipping Tool window will be shown in front of you with all the options you need when taking a screenshot. We will see all these options one by one and how to use them. Here are some modes of snipping. First, let's look at right-angle snipping and how it works. Click on the New button. Select the area you want to select with the help of a plus icon on your mouse. As soon as you release the mouse button, a new window will show in front of you where you will have a screenshot show. And many options will show. All of them we use one by one. First, we use the Save button. Click on it or press Ctrl S. Rename the file and save. See how the screenshot will show. Now let's see how free from snip mode works. Select it. Click on the New button. You can copy and paste it anywhere. See, I pasted into Photoshop. Up we use window snip mode, with the help of which you can take a screenshot of the entire window with one click. Click on the New button and click anywhere and the screenshot will appear. You can also use the pen tool to adjust the color thickness and customization of the pen line. Draw the area you want to circle using the pen tool. If you want to highlight something, they can do that too. If they want to delete something, they can do it too. I hope you will be able to use the snipping tool easily. Subscribe to the channel to see more such videos. Thanks for watching the video.